Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how to use the sniping tool on your MacBook. So to use the sniping tool on your keyboard, press Shift plus Command plus 4. Now on your screen you will see this arrow. Now select the part of the screen that you want as a screenshot. So if I want this part over here, I'll select on it. And it takes only that part as a screenshot. Now click on done. Now that part of the screenshot that I just took will be saved in your on your MacBook. So I'll repeat it again. To use the sniping tool on your keyboard, press Shift plus Command plus 4. Now on your screen, select the area that you want to take the screenshot of, and then click on done. So that is how you use the sniping tool on your MacBook. Thank you.